When you can't go out, then you've got to go up. We've got a lot to fit into the space, so we've had to add a whole new level upstairs. Welcome to the upstairs space. We've certainly got our challenge up here with Amy's briefs.
We have.
They want their perfect princess bedroom for gorgeous little Chloe. So we're doing something a little bit different for Em. We've got to fit in the study zone, a bathroom for the kids, a playroom, but also a spot that people can come and stay. Not to mention making the whole design theme work throughout the house.
Yeah.
Pretty exciting day. As you can see, the bath's going in. I'm a little bit worried that we're moving at a fast pace and is it going to fit through the doorway? We really don't have a lot of space, 2 centimetres either side. I can't, oh my gosh. You got a tape measure? The big question is, will we get it through the bathroom door? If all else fails, we'll turn this space into a bathroom. We started off going quite well. We made it through the bathroom door. That's where the good news stopped. The next challenge that we have, Trent, is all about this plug hole. We couldn't fit the bath over the pipe that was the plug hole. It's about 3 centimetres out, which means our bath at this point doesn't fit. Water damage is the last thing you want. Could you imagine that we flood and the damage that that would cause to underneath? So the plumber is going to pull the plug hole pipe out and we're going to put a smaller one in. Cross your fingers and I think we'll fit the bath over it. What a day. The bath now fits. So upstairs is really coming together now. The paint's on the wall, the tiles are complete upstairs, the carpet's going down. I'm absolutely obsessed about a loop pile from Godfrey Hirst. This is the perfect loop. It almost looks like a beautiful rug on the floor. Now it's time to put the study nook in, and I'm so excited to see this happen. Awesome, guys. Honestly, that looks so good. Boy, do you get some wow factor as you walk up the stairs. We've got some beautiful desk accessories going in because we've got to make sure it's a great working space for Trent and Amy, but also a lot of fun for the kids when they do their homework. And Loz, we're finally standing in the upstairs space.
It is so light and bright up here.
I know, and to think we were so nervous in the beginning of how we were going to integrate downstairs with upstairs. Believe it or not, this is the same surface that we used for the bench seat, and it ties it all together.
I love the 2 girls' rooms.
Chloe said, I want a princess room, and we've been able to turn that into something quite magical. And then we've gone the boho tribal room for Em. They're completely different, but at the same time, looking around here, they all tie together. Our little blush bathroom.
So beautiful.
The bath's in, the matte black tapware, the round blush mirror, the little accessories. It is a perfect bathroom and it's all come together.
Last but not least, the multi-purpose room.
We had the brief to get in a guest bed, but also a beautiful little zone for the kids to play in. But tying it together with textures, the pastel colours, it actually feels like a really balanced room. This is just perfect for 2 little girls.